Hey guys, it's Mirax and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna try to create a look which is inspired by this month's celebration, which is the Pride Month. So I planned this for a few weeks now, and in the past few weeks, I tried to create different eye looks and I asked my friends kung ano yung gusto nilang makita na gawin ko. And with this video, I'm gonna show you how I will transform this face how I will transform this face into the makeup look I planned. If you wanna know how I will transform my face from this to this, just keep on watching. So for the brows, I'm gonna use the Elmer's All-Purpose Glue Stick. Ito yung plain lang, hindi siya yung color violet. Hindi kasi ako nakabili. So, yun, gagamitin natin to. I'm just gonna insert some clips and do it off cam. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung paano gawin to. So, I'll be right back. I'm back. So, this is my eyebrows. Not complete yet because I'm gonna get some powder and pat it down to seal it all in place. And I'm just gonna brush off the excess with a powder brush. Now I'm gonna color correct my eyebrows, and since wala akong liquid color corrector or something, I'm just gonna use an orange eyeshadow to color correct. So let's do that. So for the base, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. Yan. I'm in the shade 312 Golden. So I'm gonna do the eyes first before I move on to the pinaka-base dito sa aking face. So let's do the eyes. Before I set it with powder, I'm gonna carve out my brows para alam ko kung saan siya nakapwesto. I'm just gonna use a contour stick just to map out kung saan ko gusto yung eyebrows ko. So now, let's go with the eyes. Dito ako nasa-stress kasi hindi ako magaling mag-eye makeup. I'm gonna use this Beauty Glaze Color Studio Pressed Powder Eyeshadow. So, ito siya. Ito yung kulay niya. Since we're doing a rainbow-inspired makeup, marami tayong color choices na pagpipilian. So, I'm gonna do a rainbow cut crease. Yun lang, rainbow cut crease. This color sa inner part ng aking crease. So next, I'm gonna take this orange color and isusunod ko lang siya sa red. And now, yellow. This color. And I'm gonna go back with the orange to blend it out with the two colors. Next is green. Green ba? Oh, okay. Just go. This lighter green and mixing it with some dark green. I'm using this dark. I'm using this light blue together with this dark blue. So mix that together. And before I continue with the color, I'm just gonna add some tape para mas para mas straight yung aking eye makeup. So now let's move on with the violet. I'm taking this violet para sa ating last color. I'm using this brush to cut the crease. I'm just gonna use some foundation. So I'm gonna use this shimmer instead from Vice Cosmetics. This is in the shade Shining. This is a golden shimmer. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna mark it first with a black eyeshadow. Now I'm just gonna use a liquid liner to line it up. Ang pangit ko mag-eyeliner. So this is one eye not complete kasi as you can see, ganyan na karaming eyeliner yung ilagay ko. Pag namulat ako, wala. So I'm just gonna do this eye and this eye off camera, and I'm just gonna put some lashes and I'll be right back. So this is the eye makeup all complete. I know it's not the best, but at least I tried. I'm gonna do the base now, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Full Coverage 24-Hour Wear Foundation. I'm just gonna pump it here. I'm gonna use some Nichido Contour and Highlight Duo Stick this side. And just blend it. There, and now I'm gonna set my whole face with powder. I'm using this Nichido final powder in the shade Creamy Glow. There, after I set my face, is let's bring back some dimensions to our face. So I'm gonna contour. For contour, I'm gonna use this Aura Contour in the shade Confirm. There, we are almost done with the contour. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna use an eyeshadow. Probably this color. Pero ilalagay ko lang siya sa medyo high points. Ayan, no, parang subtle lang. As you can see. I'm just gonna bake these areas and my nose para mas sila tingnan later. So, I'm just gonna add some powder. I think I'm gonna go with the lips. So for the lips, I'm just gonna overline it. And let's add some lipstick by Colorette. This is a color tint pala. There. Before I put on the color tint, I'm just gonna brush the powder off. And put on some highlight. And the lipstick. I'll just do some finishing touches and I'll be right back. So hey guys, this is the final look all complete. So this is my final look. Hi. 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 So ayan po ang aking look inspired by this month's celebration, Pride Month. So this Pride, sana mag-enjoy lahat kahit na naka-quarantine tayo. I hope everyone is doing great and safe all the time during this pandemic. And I wish you all a happy Pride Month. Sana maging masaya kayo kahit may coronavirus na nangyayari ngayon. And that's it. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung aking makeup look kahit na hindi siya sobrang ganda. I'm sorry, I tried my best. So, ayan, this is the final look. Hindi siya sobrang pulido, hindi siya sobrang ganda, pero that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for everyone who supported me and helped me to reach 800 subscribers. And I hope we reach 1,000 subscribers soonest. Follow me on my social media accounts here. Nasa description box din lahat ng mga yon. And yon, like, subscribe, follow, comment some video suggestions na gusto nyo gawin ko. And that's it. Bye!